Hello everyone, I'm Mike. In the field of welding and cleaning, our innovation never stops. Today, our new air-cooled mobile welding machine makes its grand debut, featuring outstanding performance and a unique design. Air-cooled Seagull first generation 4-in-1 machine. It has a compact body with smooth lines and an overall design that is highly stylish. Unlike traditional welding machines, which are bulky and heavy, its size has been significantly reduced, and it is much lighter, with a total weight of 73 kg. Staff can easily lift or push it, whether in narrow workshop corners or construction sites requiring frequent movement. It can navigate flexibly. The machine is equipped with large wheels with dual springs, making it easy to move. This design is particularly user-friendly for customers who need to change welding locations, effectively preventing vibrations on rugged terrain. Additionally, the machine uses a frame-style structure, ensuring overall structural stability and the ability to withstand external loads and vibrations. The touch screen is protected by an acrylic shield, safeguarding the control screen and preventing dust accumulation. The cabinet's ventilation and cooling standards align with the laser cooling vents, enhancing heat dissipation. For air-cooled machines, this design significantly improves machine stability. The machine's handle offers two carrying options. It can be pulled or lifted, further enhancing flexibility. Additionally, we have added an accessory, a handle at the rear of the machine, allowing workers to move it more effortlessly. We have also upgraded the cable winding accessory. The semicircular design better aligns with the contours of the welding machine body and cables, avoiding the space-consuming issues of square or other regular-shaped accessories. It also enables organized cable storage, preventing cable tangling due to insufficient space, maintaining a clean work environment, and enhancing the machine's overall compactness and aesthetics. This machine uses a sub-23T head with a welding head weight of only 0.75 kg, making it suitable for welders to use for extended periods. It has 4 functions: metal welding, remote cleaning, cutting, and weld seam cleaning. With its powerful functionality, it is an ideal choice for both home users and industrial welding applications. If you are interested in this machine and have welding and cleaning needs, please click below to contact us. We will provide you with the most suitable solution.